Dumpster rental service in New Baltimore, Michigan. Do you need a dumpster rental service in New Baltimore, Michigan? Rubber Will Dumpster is here to provide fast, affordable, and reliable dumpster rentals for any project. Whether cleaning out your home, tackling a renovation, or managing a construction site, we have the right solution. Our dumpsters are designed to be safe for driveways and easy to load. We offer various sizes to accommodate any cleanup, from small home decluttering projects to extensive commercial renovations. At Rubber Will Dumpster, we believe in transparency, no hidden fees, just straightforward pricing. We handle everything from dumpster delivery to pickup, making your rental experience smooth and hassle-free. You can count on us for reliable service, timely drop-offs, and efficient pickups. We understand every project is unique, so we offer flexible rental periods to fit your needs. Whether you need a dumpster for a few days or a longer-term project, we've got you covered. Our team is dedicated to customer satisfaction. We ensure you get the right dumpster for your job, taking the hassle out of waste disposal so you can focus on your work. We make waste removal effortless from start to finish. Contact us today at 888-499-5699 to experience the Rubber Will Dumpster difference.